Hey Porty Gibbons. Off a lease building, we are going to turn this restaurant into classic Gwen's.
Great idea, classic Gwen. Let's do it.
Hi Classic Gwen Wu and Portia Gibbons. Can me and Ryan Miller get a job here?
Sure.
Hi Jane Fitzgerald, Classic Gwen Wu, Portia Gibbons and Ryan Miller. Can me and Kate Smith get a job here?
Sure.
Hello, Claude from Bratz. Welcome to Classic Gwen's. How can I help you?
I would like a cheeseburger with bacon, French fries and a Coca-Cola please.
That will be $10.
Here you go.
Here's your food. Enjoy.
I don't feel so good. You weirdos just made me feel sick. This burger is uncooked, these French fries are raw, and a Coke with flat. That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
No, 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 no.
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 Classic
Ryan
Gwen Wu,
Miller.
Portia Gibbons. Jane Fitzgerald.
Tracy Tylerson.
And Kate Smith. We can't believe you opened up the restaurant. That's it. All of you are grounded, 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 grounded big time. Let's go home now.
What?
Wow.